What are we making?
That's task code is Shan rice lab. Yes.
Shan rice salad, huh?
Yes.
And what's inside the rice that you cooked beforehand?
Yeah. We put in the yellow pounders.
Turmeric, huh?
Yeah.
Turmeric.
The Shan rice is like a sticky rice.
Oh, okay.
Stick. You make it like that.
Oh,
Very
okay.
stick.
I see, I see.
Yeah.
So kneading it makes it more sticky.
Yeah.
But it's sticky rice, not plain boiled rice.
Yeah.
Uh,
What's inside? This is tomato paste.
Tomato paste, okay.
Yeah.
And what's inside the tomato paste?
Onions, garlic, tomatoes. Also inside the
Chili?
sauce. Yeah, chili base also. Yes.
That looks amazing. Lovely red color. That's what's giving the rice all the flavor.
Yeah.
Okay. You keep mixing, huh? Until everything's combined.
Yes.
Okay. It's looking good. Okay. It's a nice little ball. Okay. Ah, I see. It's a big ball. Okay. Okay, here's the rice that's been pounded, or kneaded, and you're going to finish the dish off for me.
Yeah. First, we just plate.
This is a
This is banana leaf.
banana leaf,
Yeah. Yeah.
the rice.
Yeah.
Okay, very pretty.
Yeah.
This is
Fish.
fish, dried fish, fried fish.
Fried fish.
Okay, bits of fried fish.
Yeah.
Just in a little bit of oil, it's been fried.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Different garlic.
Deep fried garlic, yes.
Also on top.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah. Wine over there.
Yeah, oil. This is the equivalent of our olive oil, I guess. Yeah, garlic oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
The spinach on top.
Finishing off a bit of dressing. Yeah.
Different dry chili.
Oh, hot.
Yes. Three
Always
pieces.
3 pieces.
Yeah,
Wow.
three pieces enough.
Isn't it? You think so?
Yeah.
And
Also,
this is the
yes. Yeah.
the chai fruit, yeah?
Yeah, cherries. Yeah. Also, banana leaf on top.
A bit of coriander.
Yes, banana leaf on top. Yeah.
Very.
Yes.
Wow, I'm hungry. And this dishes?
Yes. Now we are finished already. Atamen.
And that's
Yes. English name is Shan rice lab. Yeah.
okay. Shan rice salad.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It looks delicious.